good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are watching from, anywhere in the world. So welcome to the part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching the first video that we made on how you can use solar panel to power your kitchen appliances and to use your pressing iron without connecting battery or charge controller together with the solar panel, just on the solar panel alone. Okay, in this video we are going to demonstrate the remaining appliances to you, how you will use just only solar panel to iron your clothes, how you will use only solar panel to blend pepper, to blend anything blendable in your blending machine, and how you will use the same solar panel with your submersible pump. You don't need to buy plenty solar panel. All you need is the total number of solar panel that can give you up to 260 volts DC. You know, on DC voltage, especially on electricity being generated from solar panel, when you put load on it, the voltage will come down a little bit. If you need 220 volts, the open circuit voltage should be 260 volts. When there is load on it, the voltage will balance to 220 or 225 volts. So basically, we are going to demonstrate all of this in this part 2 of the video that you are watching now. So we will take you through how you will use it to power your pumping machine, how you will use it to power your blender, to blend pepper, your pressing iron. Note that all these are universal voltage except the pumping machine, that is the machine that is working on DC voltage alone. You can use it with your present blender that you have at home. You can use it with your present electric cooker, the electric cooker that you are using at home. No modification needed. You don't need to reconfigure anything inside the cooker. The same cooker that you are using in your house, that you are using with National Grid, is the same cooker you will plug on the output of the solar panel. So you will arrange the solar panel on your roof at home. So you will draw the cable into your you will pass the cable from the rooftop into your kitchen. So you will connect it into the socket where you can plug your cooker, your water boiler, your electric kettle, and any machine like your oven. Oven also run on universal voltage. Your oven can work on DC current and on AC current. The same thing with your blender that you are using to blend pepper. Your juice blender, pepper blender, and anything blender, they are all universal voltage. They can run on DC current and on AC current. So feel free to use any of your blender, your cooker, your water heater with it. Don't use your television, because television has some transformer in the power board, and you know transformer work with AC current alone. So your television is configured to work on AC current alone. There are some DC televisions that are 12 volts, but we are talking about higher voltage DC in this video. So don't use television with this configuration. Just focus on your kitchen appliances and your pressing iron that you can use to iron your clothes. Focus on that area. So briefly, let's go into the video. Keep watching. Volts. 265 volts, that is the open circuit voltage. When there is load on it, you know, on DC current, when there is load, the voltage will go down a little bit to peak voltage. So now let's take you around the solar panel to see there is no any hidden cable anywhere. It is only the solar panel. Today we are using 6 pieces of solar panel. We are using 6 pieces today. You can see. So now we are going to connect this extension socket We are going to connect this extension socket to the output of the solar panel. That's where we've been plugging the load that we want to test today. So let me check the voltage inside the socket. 257 volts. Now we have pressing iron here. Many of you know the type of this pressing iron, so I'm going to plug it. So it's been plugged. It's getting hot already. So let us check the voltage when the pressing iron is working. So we have 213. Okay, we have 228 volts. Volts DC powering the pressing iron. So in this video we are going to run this submersible pump also. This is DC submersible pump. So many people have been asking that can DC current power the regular pumping machine that people have been using at home? No, this is DC submersible pump. It's made for solar energy, but any DC current can power it if the voltage is within the rated voltage recommended for the machine. So the machine can withstand maximum of 90 volts DC. This pressing iron is very hot at the moment. So now we want to iron clothes. It's very hot. You can see. Can you see? The iron is very hot. The iron is very hot. Let's cool down the iron. You can see the solar panel, see the cable on the floor. It is the solar panel we are using, no other power supply there. Let's cool down the iron again. It's very hot. So you can see that you can iron your clothes without the cost of electricity again. If you do this in your home, you have secured your future. The generation to come, they will be enjoying this because solar panel has long lifespan. Solar panel can work for many years. And this is electricity that you've been using every day because solar panel is a daily power generation. It just costs you only the amount you use to purchase it, to set it up. So this iron is the 220 volts iron, the regular iron you have in your house. There is no configuration, no modification done inside the pressing iron. It's the same iron you have at home. So many people have been asking concerning the part 1 of the video that we posted that we should provide the information of the electric cooker that we tested in the video. But we let them know that it is the same electric cooker they are using at home. No modification done inside the cooker. The same thing with this iron. It's too hot. Let's cool it down again. So we have cooled it down. You can see. You can see it's very, very hot. So now we have ironed the clothes. We have shown you the connection to the pressing iron, and we have proved it to you that you can use it to iron your clothes. Now we want to use blender. We are going to blend aloe vera. We cut some aloe vera and blend. We don't have pepper available. We will have used pepper in the video, but now we will use aloe vera. Aloe vera is available that we can blend in the blender. So let's go into the process. We want to test this blender. You can see this is 220 volts, 350 watts. If the blender is more than 350 watts, it's still going to power it. So the blender is universal voltage. It's the same thing with your blender at home. Don't worry about the blender to use. This blender is the same thing with the blender you have in your house. So I turn the meter on. Let us read the voltage to show you again. You can see 257 volts. That's 257 volts DC. So this blender is universal. It's going to work. So now I'm going to blend this aloe vera. So as you can see, we have successfully blended the aloe vera. So the aloe vera is drinkable to cure some diseases in your body. As you know, aloe vera do a lot of work in the body system. So now the next thing we are going to test is power is this DC pump. The DC pump is 90 volts. We will reduce the voltage of the solar panel to 90 volts to power the pumping machine. So keep watching. Yes, now we have reduced the panel voltage. Just two solar panel is connected now. 2 solar panel is connected out of the 6 solar panel. So let us check the voltage. You can see 83 volts. So this is the controller that will drive the submersible pump. The connection, the theory cable coming from the pumping machine is connected to WVU. So the manufacturer did not indicate any of the code in this blue and this black, blue and brown cable. You can put it anywhere. If the machine moves to the wrong side, swap 2 out of this wire. So the machine will start spinning to the normal side. So now where you must put more attention is this input DC to the controller. The input DC, we are going to use our multimeter to confirm the polarity from the socket. So we are using this to connect the positive. This will be used for the positive. So let us confirm the polarity from the socket with this here. So this side is negative. You can see this is negative. So we put this wire into the positive here. Let us use this earthing cable to connect the negative. So immediately I push this one, the machine will start running. It's not advisable to run the machine dry. As a result of that, we're going to put the machine inside water. Yes, the controller is on. So the machine has started. Let's do machine. It's pumping very well. By putting pipe reducer, the pressure will go higher very speed. We will reduce it to 1 inch pipe to make the pressure increase. So let us check the RPM of the machine. The machine is running on 2740 RPM. So the pressure is very high. If you are familiar with pumping machine, you will understand what I'm saying. So the pressure is very high. So thanks for watching the video, but more advice before we go is that make sure all the load in your house that you want to run with the DC supply from the solar panel are the load that can run on DC currents. I mean the appliances that are universal voltage that can work with universal system. I mean the appliances that can work on DC currents and AC currents. So once again, let me quickly tell you those appliances that will work on DC currents and AC currents. Your pressing iron is universal. You know, pressing iron use elements. It can work on DC currents and AC currents. Your electric cooker is universal. It can work on DC currents and AC currents. Your electric kettle, jug that you are using to boil water, they are all universal. So be rest assured that your blender at home is the same with the blender that we use in the video. So no any modification needed. You don't need to remodify anything. They will work successfully and blend your pepper successfully without having any worry. So don't plug your television that you are using at home on the DC current. Most of the television, they are running on AC current alone because most of the television has some transformer on their motherboard. Transformer work with AC current alone. Your television is basically advised that you use it on AC current alone. This idea is for you to cook in your kitchen, to iron your clothes. In your kitchen, you will be able to blend your pepper. You will be able to boil water, putting food on the electric cooker without having any worry about electricity, since you can do all of this in the daytime. If you have any comments, if you have any question, feel free to send your comment to the comment section as we are going to answer you. Or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number plus 2348074639531. You can also visit our Facebook page, Engineer Isaac Fueles Generator or Obarawa Engineering Company Fueles Generator. If you search for Obarawa Engineering Company on our Facebook page, you will find us there. So thanks for watching. If you cannot do this yourself, you can contact us, as our engineering team we render the service for you to set it up in your house, irrespective of anywhere you are, in Nigeria or in Africa or anywhere in the world. If it is outside Nigeria, if we cannot come, we will provide online training how you can do it and some other things you can include. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel if you have not subscribed. So, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. We hope to see you enjoying the idea that we just introduced to you. Thanks. Bye. See you next time.